I've got another awesome painting lesson for you. So let's say you want to make some kind of funky color like this green. The way to do it is to go to Set Flood Color, pick a color close to what you like, and then adjust and let go of the little numbers. See how they adjust to get to the color that you're dreaming of? Just keep moving it till you're happy. When you've got the color that you wanted, and this is, your project here, let go and hit OK. When you click Status, it pops up a tiny little window with the new flood color, 2, 202, and 165. If you want to paint your house with that, then what you do is you do Edit All, find the piece where you were painting. So I'm going to find where my house got painted. Once you know that code, let's edit the word house and then change where it paints that. So right here, I set the flood color, and instead of we've been doing the 1-digit colors like 3, this time I'm going to put in the fancy code for that color that I just chose. Move this up so I can see it. It was 2, 202, 165. File, save, and exit. Now when I do CS House, I'm going to move my status, and now it's got that new crazy fancy color where I changed it. And that also is kind of cool because it has the other color for the pen color, and it makes it fancy. So anytime you change to a fancy color, you can use the 3-digit code in the square brackets to use it in your project.